Hey everyone, welcome back to the garden. Another gardening video. Today I am finally tackling the front of the yard. It's been raining here in New Jersey for pretty much the entire week, and it needs to be weeded. I have a lot of mint I need to control because I did those special borders here. It's not going onto the grass, but the bed is kind of taken over, which I expected, and it's fine. These are dead. They did not sustain the winter. They were the lemongrass. So I got to take them out, and I have all my herbs I need to plant again. So let's get started. I'm going to mow the lawn as well, redo the borders, the edges. The grass is looking okay. Yeah, everything else looks alright, but I need to take care of all of this. Now this is the old basil. I gotta take it out. I don't mind controlling the mint because whatever I'm removing, I'm drying, I'm using anyway. And if you do it often enough, it's not a problem. So that was spearmint. Alright, so all of this is clean. Got all of this to dry, and now I'm going to do the peppermint. This is oregano. I'm going to control a little bit of that lemon balm. To give the oregano more room. Okay. Just gotta add mulch. Okay, so this bed is clean, controlled, nobody's suffocating anyone, and it's ready for me to bring in new herbs, but I need to do this one first. This peppermint, I don't like the way it's growing. It's too sparse. Gonna move it altogether. Alright, bed number 2 is all clean. So I'm going to do the edges, mow, and then I'll come and plant the herbs that I have on the other side. I gave some, I don't know if you can see them, I just got some peonies for Beth and Ralph, and give some to Ed as well. Because what am I going to do with all these peonies? Might as well share them, right? Okay, well, it's looking better. Alright, here's my after. It took a couple of hours, but it's all clean and weeded and controlled. Look at my peonies. They're beautiful, but again, it rained, so they all fell down. I added one rosemary, curly parsley. This is all cilantro, some of it volunteer. I got curly parsley here, another flat leaf parsley, another rosemary. That's the volunteer parsley from last year. We did all the borders. It's looking nice and clean. My catnip died. It was really cold this winter. It didn't come back. So I put a dill instead right here. Did those borders. And then sadly, I'm going to have to come up with something else because the deer keep on eating my remaining 2 cornflowers. Remember I had 6? Alright, I'm going to have to come up with something else here. But they don't touch the sage. And if you want to know what the Rose of Sharon, or Sharon, can't remember, looks like, that's what it looks like. So it did come back. I think the deer is nibbing on it. Nothing much I can do about that. But this is nice and clean, ready to go. I will see you in the next video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe right here in the corner if you're brand new. My hands are really bad. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.